Go on.
Yeah, guys. So you know what I say? After the cooking done and thing, we have an after party, you know? Name Rum Kill Your Mother, you see me? It's a side now. You see me mark on the back of the guarantee you full strength. So you know, look more after this.
A French fry curry some fish. I first in the year one, the French fry curry fish. And welcome back my beautiful people. You don't know today. We will catch some fish. You don't know what to do with this, so guys. You might wash out in the mesh. We'll catch some minnows if you use it. And we'll catch some jaguar cichlids today, guys. Don't know Joe up on the block, guys. Joe, what you say?
Yeah, peeps, we're outside, you know?
Yeah, man.
On a fishing adventure, you know? Just reach and thing, we're catching some bait and thing. Catch up some bait and thing. And then, you know, after that, start throw some line and see what we can catch today, you know?
Yeah, guys. So here we're going. Hopefully, we catch some nice size fish. What we are going to do to the fish? What we are to curry them, escovitch them. What?
Well, today we can do some curry fish.
Curry fish. Alright, guys. Joe said a curry fish today, guys. You know, on the rooftop same here. That's our HQ. I don't know where Kingston come from, guys. Yeah, man. So we're on the riverside, you know. It's a great distance. We have to travel for each other river here, guys. So, don't know, we're outside like all the time. So we're outside now, you know. Yeah.
Outside for the next banger.
Yeah, guys, so gonna to fix up the mesh there. I use that over there, we are using crackers, guys. The minnows them, if you look, you see them swim on the water. I use the crackers and bait that. We put it in the big like that. And then they swim going and swim going, we'll set them up, get a container and put them there with some water, keep them alive, you see me? Yes, guys. Yeah, guys, so we have a mesh in the water there.
We are bait up the mesh now, so we can lift it.
Gotta rise to put the water, guys. Crackers them and lift up all the way. Yeah, like yeah, give them face the swimming coming. So guys, so look at that. This is how we catch the minnows, guys. See them are coming there. I'll take them time coming. See, we'll pick it down. I'm going to pick out the minnows them. Look up here, so can you see some up here? So what we do, guys, keep them in the water, keep them as alive as long as possible, because they work better when they're alive, you see me? Yeah, man. Fish on, guys, fish on. Nice fish, guys, nice fish on, guys. Look at that, nice fish, guys. Fryers, you know. Yeah, man, they seem to bite, you know. But you can get the hook in a jack, guys. Hey, see him? Yeah, man, look by him. Flop, you know. I'll try to come off. But it's one more there, guys. I'm gonna try off him, see him? Yeah, man. That is it. Alright, guys, so I'm going to go for the second one now, you know. I'm going to see one big one there, a fish around. Go around there, guys. I'll go around the line, you know, I think, you know. So I'm going to see if I can catch him. Oh, what is this? Guys, catch a little fish. Yeah, guys, so you know, so we reach home. Why? If you tell us, say, yo, memory card, left memory card, guys. So, they don't know most of the food. Maybe look at memory card, we have that phone full up, guys, and we have another video on that. So, you don't know we're there up on the roof, guys. We are going to curry some fish, guys. A French fry curry some fish. I first in the year, the French fry curry fish and rice. And rice, what you call it? What you call that, Joe? Mixed vegetable rice. Yes, guys, I'll do some mixed vegetable rice. Some vegetable rice. Yes, man. So we have a fish in guys, from big to small. Yeah, man. So you see it? We have a fireside over here. Yeah man guys, up on the roof of the today, you know. Over there. Yeah man, guys, zero space in the building. Yeah man.
That is it.
Don't know about bad Chef Joe there, so guys.
Fire active, I know.
See, I get the fire active. That is it. Yeah guys, so you know, chef cut up a thing them also. Same well focus guy, watch it. Well focus. Yeah guys, so we get some onion, cause we just assisted the onion missing. We have some fish season, some jerk season, some what kind of season that is? All purpose. It's an all purpose this guys. And we have some Indian curry in this. You know Indian curry? I eat this. See me? We have some black pepper also. I don't know we have the mixed vegetable also. We have a big bakla oil. We have a tangerine also. Yeah guys, some thyme. We have some garlic guys. This very good for headache. You know if you have cold, this and this combined together guys. Mud, garlic and scallion, nice tea guys. Good for the cold, good for whole heap of thing, you see me? Not going into details right now guys, but active. Yeah man, we have rice that's guys. Fire blaze up over there so. Fish them there so dry off. Yeah man, we put them out for the sun glaze hit them, you know. That is it guys. And we have a watcher. We have it guys, we find it, you know how long more see one butter guys. And Chinese, you know. Look, see that? And put anything like that, you know. Yeah man, I eat that, I eat man.
It would not be possible.
Yeah man. Yeah. Yeah guys, I'll put the pot on the fire. Dry out the water out and thing. Yeah man. There man. Yeah guys, so season up the fish there man, you know. Yeah, some salt there so. Some black pepper. Yeah guys, I don't know that we used to use on fry fish them back in the days, you know. Salt and black pepper. I don't know where today, so we have the all-purpose and the fish season and everything mixed up now one guys. So Joe I got to know guys, more seasoning fish them from the belly. Yeah guys, so Joe with the curry on the fish there. Whoa, him away my dog. Hey boy, where I go?
Come back in there.
Yeah guys, seasoning the fish there, you know. That is it. Now I'm jumping there, you know. Curry on fish. Alright guys, so this is the Indian way, you know. What we are going to do, we are going to fry them down, fry them crisp and then put them back in the pot. And then we are going to see what I go. Just learn, you know. Yeah man, so the highlight you know. Watch it. Yeah. The first fish to go in the island now. Ah, that is it. That is it, boy. Oh, fish and smell good, man. Oh, I eat them so now I'm about to cook them, So I will cook the rice in. So in there I cut out the mixed vegetable. I say cut mixed vegetable dog. I cut out thin and fight yo.
Yeah.
I cut off a finger you know. So, guys, reveal. Here guys, so I got add the mixed vegetable to the rice. Just like that. And then we eat a story.
Yeah.
That is it guys. It's my fry guys. It's very nice like this when I crab though. Yeah guys, so first let the fish out of the pot. You know, and I mix it in. You can smell good in one. What now guys, you like my pot? You like my pot, just leave a link in the comment, you can get a one, you know?
Who teach you to cook dog?
Who teach you to cook dog?
Yeah, it smells nice.
Oh, yeah, for sure. We are the guys, we are spread the mixed vegetable even at the pot. Yeah man, equal. Just like that guys. That is it, you know. That look good. We are doing our burn some curry. Get that a little story. Then we are add the seasoning. Yeah man. Just like that guys. That smells good boy. Add a little more oil.
No, that's the one now.
So you know skill. You know flip it. Come on guys, so we add some water. I make the vegetable them cook up. We make the Irish cook out, and we make the carrot cook down a little bit. Then we'll add the fish them guys, and then make them steam down. Show them what is what, you know. Rice up on the fire in the house. Yeah man, put that on stove, you know. White pepper smell nice. Go on.
Yeah guys, so you know what I say? After the cooking done and thing, we have an after party, you know. Name Rum Killer Mother, you see me? Exercise now. You see me mark on the back of guarantee you full strength. So you know, look more after this. Yeah, Rum Killer Mother, Rum Killer Father.
Yeah.
You know that chat there? Yeah.
Yeah. What you gonna do? Get them beside. Get them beside. No, I'm not a YouTuber. Yes guys, so the rice done now. That is it for the rice. Look at that guys, the vegetable rice, you know. Where's that Joe? Vegetable rice. See there? Yes, I do. You can cook rice, man. I'll teach you, Karen. About bread and tea. Bread and tea.
One bread and tea, yeah.
About bread and tea.
One bread and tea.
Guys, so see the seasoning boil up or want it, so we're adding the fish them now, you know. Curry fish. This is the other way, guys, for curry fish. Normally we are just like burn the curry and put in everything in the pot one time, but we'll fry them first this time, guys. That is it. Yeah, man, that's it. If you should fish them up there, brown look the guys, because we'll fry them first. That's it. Yeah, man, that's some woody per season. And the reason we fry them, guys, we don't want them mash out, you know. We want to keep them firm, because you don't know how the thing go. That is it.
Lose him head.
Yeah guys, I see fish them come up there. It's been nice. So that's all on now guys. Next 3 minutes. So I give it next 3 minutes guys. Yeah man, you see me? So the pot land, you know. So there I share with the rice guys. So I go on. That is it. Yeah. Wow. Good eh? Alright guys, so this is one gone. Yeah man. Next one yeah. That is it, you know? Yeah. Yes I. Yeah guys. Oh, all of the area for cut out here, you see me? One of this.
Bad.
That is it guys, you know. So this is one of my own, you know. So you know where it go, you know. Some carrot on the side, yeah man. Some okra there. Okra on the side too. Guys, you don't know we are cut down on the weight, so we have to eat some little bit of food, you know. That is it. Look at that.
Okra. Carrot.
You wanna jump by dog? Yeah man. Yeah, this is a fish and tell taste. Soak in a salt water, you know.
Yeah guys.
Up.
That is it.
What is it do?
That is it. Why? Everything there, you know.
Yeah man. Yeah, bread and tea. I bought bread and tea. Put on the phone and eat the food. Oh, bread and tea, mash up a piece of fish already, man, guys. Watch it. I bought bread and tea. Yeah, guys. So, watch out. Right? Rice. Mucho. Some carrot. And some Irish, guys. Whoa, pepper bud. The pepper in the gravy, guys. Nice. Watch out. Pepper bud for two, guys. Curry fish na normal. Na normal, alay. Yeah, man. Alright, guys. So, taste me fish now. Yo, come like around 6 days now, fish season up and put on. Fish bud. Guys, you want to taste this curry fish and mixed vegetable rice, guys. Mad. Piece of carrot, guys. Look good for your eye. That is it, you know. Don't know. Until next time, them say no for talk with food name okay, guys. Can you bite up the tongue, see? But the guys them there. I wrote them food and thing. I bought bread and tea over there upon him phone.
That is it.
Say pepper upon him, guys. So until next time, don't know Jamaica Adventures. Subscribe, like, share, subscribe, guys. Thanks for your returning. Thanks. Thank you all. Thank you all, guys. Never say nothing, guys. Just thanks. See? Continue. Just continue. Yeah, man. Don't know you outside. Jamaica Adventures. One love. Peace. Out.